At number 6 is an amazing lob from Chris Paul to Blake Griffin for a monster dunk. Here's the pass and boom! Blake had to push off the ground where the ground pushed him back with an equal force to get high enough to reach the ball and put it in the hoop for an easy 2 points. This is an example of the third law of motion.
And in at number 3, we have a steal from Dwayne Wade with a no-look pass to Mario Chalmers, who passes it to Norris Cole. And he throws the lob up, and LeBron swoops in, flies, posterizes, pulverizes, and just utterly punishes Jason Terry in the paint. When LeBron goes up with so much force and a much higher inertia than Jason Terry, he yams it on his head, barely affected by his presence.
At number 4, we have Shaquille O'Neal have an amazing block on Allen Iverson. As Iverson goes up for the layup, Shaq comes up and sends it out of bounds. Even though it was goaltending, it was still a monster block. This is also the first law of motion. Once the ball was released from Iverson's hand, it would have stayed in motion, but an unbalanced force, known as Shaquille O'Neal, came up and blocked the shot, therefore preventing it from traveling any further. And at number 3, we have UCF freshman William Stanback running through Rutgers freshman Anthony Chaffee. William comes up with a monster truck. Since William's mass is greater than Anthony's, he has a higher inertia. Therefore, when Anthony goes for the hit, he is struck down because he had little effect on William. And at number 2 is Kyrie Irving. He is guarded by Brandon Knight and wants to destroy his ankles. Kyrie Irving does his signature move, the in and out crossover, and adds a step back. He catches Brandon Knight off balance, and there he goes, embarrassed by Kyrie. Knight fell on the floor while Kyrie gets an easy bucket. Since Brandon has mass that is greater than Kyrie, he can't switch directions so fast because he has a higher inertia. Inertia is a tendency to resist change in motion. Therefore, when Kyrie Irving fakes that he's going one way, his defender moves to stop him, but he is already going the other way, and Knight stumbles because he can't change directions easily.
Don't reach, young blood.
And at number 1, we have an example of a projectile, and it is Chris Paul making a half-court shot to end the quarter. He applied the perfect force and launched the ball at the perfect angle. Since he is far away, he has to launch the ball up at an angle and apply a near to perfect force to get the ball to go in.